So guys, many people have this confusion, and that is, should we buy the iPhone XR in 2020? This iPhone XR has a modern look, but people are scared that should we buy the iPhone XR right now so that we can get a best performance for minimum 2 to 3 years, and if we want to use this smartphone for 4 to 5 years, then is this smartphone good for a long-term usage? So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion that should you buy the iPhone XR or buy any other iPhone. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and from smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, iPhone XR was launched in 2018 with the iPhone XS and with the iPhone XS Max. The main purpose for this iPhone was to make a budget end iPhone. But guys, $750 for this smartphone was not at all a budget pricing. So guys, after the launch, this iPhone has went through lot of price cuts. Now this iPhone XR is available for around 40,000 to 50,000 rupees, and in America it is available for $500 to $600. So guys, this price tag is now a little bit reasonable price tag. But now you will easily tell me, like OnePlus, Samsung and all other companies have so many offerings, like Oppo, Vivo and all other manufacturers are providing you flagship level smartphones for the price tag of $400 to $500. Then why should we buy the iPhone XR? So guys, if you are a heavy gamer or in general you use your smartphone too much in daily basis, then iPhone XR will provide you the best battery life possible. You will easily get 1 day of battery life with the iPhone XR. Generally you are talking about 6 to 7 hours of usage on your smartphone, which is a very big time being, and guys, the iPhone XR will really impress you in terms of the battery department. But I just want to make this thing clear that if your budget is under 50,000 rupees or under $600, then the iPhone XR is the best alternative. Or else, if you want to have a little better version, definitely buy the iPhone 11, because you are getting an ultra wide angle lens with the iPhone 11. You are getting the latest processor. Like the ultra wide angle lens gives you such a great type of photography experience. You first try it out for yourself and you will easily notice the difference between the iPhone XR and the iPhone 11. So guys, obviously the iPhone 11 is better than the iPhone XR, but if you are talking about the value for the money category, the iPhone XR is a clear winner. Many people are trying to purchase the iPhone X, the iPhone XS or the iPhone XS Max. My personal suggestion will be, don't buy the iPhone X, because you are getting a dual camera setup, but with the iPhone XS you are getting even better camera setup and a good battery backup. So guys, just don't try to get the iPhone X and try to go for the iPhone XS or the iPhone XR. The iPhone XR is a bigger smartphone and it will provide you bigger battery life, but with the iPhone XS you are getting a OLED panel and a premium look. So guys, definitely the iPhone XS is better than the iPhone XR, but just I want to highlight this point, and that is, if you are talking about value for the money category iPhone, then the iPhone XR is a clear winner. You will easily get 4 to 5 years of software support from now, at least like 2024 or 2025. Till this year you will have great software support, and this iPhone will run smooth even for 4 to 5 years. So if you are a long-term usage person and you want to buy an iPhone and use it for an extensive period, then the iPhone XR is a perfect iPhone for you. So guys, everybody knows regarding the specifications of the iPhone XR. I am not here to discuss regarding the specifications, but I am giving you the frank advice that the iPhone XR is the best iPhone under 50,000 rupees. If you can increase your budget, then try to go for the iPhone 11 or for the iPhone XS. But the iPhone XR is definitely a great smartphone, let you be a heavy gamer or a heavy user. So guys, my conclusion for today's video will be, yes, 100% buy the iPhone XR in 2020. The iPhone 9 or the budget end iPhone is also coming, but still the iPhone XR is kind of a flagship level smartphone and it is always better, and you are getting a modern look with this smartphone. So definitely, if your budget is around 50,000 rupees, try to go for the iPhone 10R. So guys, this was everything which I wanted to include in my today's video, and hope so that you have liked it. And guys, thank you very much for 6,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. Our next target is for 10,000 subscribers. Let's make it happen as soon as possible. And guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.